No more chicken. We eat.
No more chicken. Ay, wala pa chicken. Bite.
What are you doing? You're eating? Nice. What are you doing? You're eating? What are you eating? Eating pancit. Yes. Good job. You're eating pancit. How about you? What are you eating? What are you eating? Eating? What is that? Yeah, chicken. Are you done eating?
No.
No? Okay.
What is it?
Are you done eating? What? All done?
No.
You put all of these here like that, and then you also get ate's. Ate, are you done? There you go. And then you put this. You put it in one container, please. There you go. You make sure that you clear everything. Dad. No, no, no. You have to clear everything. You start with your cup first. You wash your cup. Your cup first. Your cup. Wash your cup. No, not yet. Your cup. Wash it. Go. Bring your cup. Bring your cup. Go, you wash it there. Just your cup. Stand up and you wash your cup. Just the cup. Go, go. Wash the cup. Ryan, come here. Diri ka sa gawas. You wash your cup. There. Ang lubot, ha? Are you done washing? Oh, you rinse your cup. You put your sponge there. You put your sponge there. Man, let's turn on the water. Oh, you rinse it. Make sure na wala na yung bubbles. Biwi ka? Okay, next. If you're done na, you make sure that wala na yung bubbles. You go get your bowl. No, 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 not that. You get your bowl. There. Get your bowl. Wash your bowl next. You get your sponge and you wash your bowl next. Not yet. You wash the lubot. You wash the lubot of the bowl. There. Oh, you rinse it. You put the sponge there. You rinse it. Oh, wala na yung tubig. Let's change the water.